guys, this is the part 2 of our Coca-Cola experiment. I will be starting with 1. Max started with 2, but I'll see if it also works with 1. Three, 2, 1, go. Well, it worked, and I'll see how much. Oh, I can't shake it. Well, that also worked with 1. I think even better than the 2 of Max. And I'll try with 5 this time.
Just take the whole packet.
Well, okay, but that's 6.
Yeah, so?
Okay, then I'll take 6.
That will be a nice one.
Yeah.
If you make it.
Yeah, if I survive.
5, 6,
7.
7 pieces. Noel's gonna try it with 7 pieces.
This is risky.
This will be so damn hard.
To survive.
We have 1 more Coca-Cola bottle remaining after Noel finishes his. I'll do that. I'll try a whole packet of...
Oh no.
Noel did not make it. He put in 5 of 7. No, he put in 1 of 7. He has the rest in his hands.
Oh, 1 still worked.
That was not going as planned. Later on, you'll see how we clean this mess up.
Does this thing even still work?
No, it doesn't.
No. Well, I guess.
Try a drink.
No.
Noel, you're gonna try. I'll also try.
It's tastes Mentos, more like Mentos than.
Well, that's gonna be my turn. Bye. See you in part 3.